Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Skull Shavers is probably one of the most essential grooming tools for any bald man seeking a smooth, clean, and comfortable shave, offering a specialized design that contours to the unique shape of the head for superior results compared to traditional razors or clippers, ensuring a hassle-free and efficient grooming experience that maintains a polished appearance with minimal effort. Number 5. Skull Shaver Pitbull Gold Pro. Introducing the Pitbull Gold Pro, the ultimate grooming tool for a superior shave. Experience unparalleled closeness and comfort, wet or dry. Enjoy the freedom of cordless shaving with this premium electric shaver. Its ergonomic design fits perfectly in your hand for effortless control. Whether you prefer a quick dry shave or a refreshing wet shave with foam or gel, this device handles it all with ease. Never get caught with a low battery again. The integrated LED display clearly shows you the remaining power, so you're always ready to go. Keep your shaver protected and ready for action wherever you travel. It comes complete with a convenient travel pouch for on-the-go grooming. Upgrade your grooming routine with the Pitbull Gold Pro. Achieve a smooth, comfortable shave every time, effortlessly. What we like. This shaver boasts an LED battery display for convenient power monitoring. Its premium build ensures durability and a high-quality feel. If you value precise battery information and a luxurious shaving experience, this is the one for you. What people say. The shaver is very easy to use and clean. It provides a close and smooth shave without any irritation. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several weeks on a single charge. Number 4. Skull Shaver Pitbull Silver Pro. Introducing the Pitbull Silver Pro, the ultimate grooming tool for a smooth, close shave. Experience unparalleled comfort and convenience, whether you're at home or on the go. Enjoy the flexibility of wet or dry shaving with this premium cordless electric shaver. Its advanced design ensures a comfortable and efficient shave every time. Designed with you in mind, its ergonomic shape fits perfectly in your hand. This makes shaving your head and face incredibly easy and comfortable. Cleaning up is a breeze with its easy-to-clean design. Simply rinse it under the tap, and it's ready for your next shave. It comes with a travel pouch, making it the ideal companion for your journeys. Maintain your sharp look wherever life takes you. Elevate your grooming routine with the Pitbull Silver Pro. It's more than just a shaver, it's your key to a consistently clean and polished appearance. What we like. Featuring an ergonomic design, it fits comfortably in your hand for effortless maneuvering. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to its easy-to-clean construction. If you prioritize comfort and quick maintenance in your grooming routine, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The shaver is designed to be used on a bald head and provides a close shave. It features multiple shaving heads that contour to the shape of the head for a smooth finish. The device is easy to clean and maintain, with a detachable head for rinsing. Number 3. Remington BaldiePro XR 7000 Head Shaver. Introducing the Remington BaldiePro XR 7000, designed specifically for a smooth, comfortable shave. Achieve a perfectly bald look with ease. It features 5 dual-track rotary blades that adapt to every contour of your head. Experience a close and efficient shave every time. Enjoy the convenience of cordless operation with a powerful lithium rechargeable battery. Get extended use on a single charge. Whether you prefer a quick dry shave or a refreshing wet shave with gel or foam, this device handles it all. It's completely waterproof for easy cleaning. The innovative hair capture chamber keeps your sink clean by collecting hairs as you shave. Enjoy a mess-free grooming experience. For detailed grooming, a pop-up trimmer is conveniently built in. Perfect for tidying up sideburns or other areas. What we like. Equipped with 5 dual-track rotary blades for a close shave. It includes a hair capture chamber to minimize mess. If you're looking for maximum blade coverage and a cleaner shaving area, this model is designed for you. What people say. The shaver is designed to be ergonomic and comfortable to hold, making it easy to maneuver around the head. It features multiple sharp blades that provide a close and smooth shave without nicks or cuts. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several shaving sessions on a single charge. Number 2. Groomie BaldiePro Head Shaver. Meet the ultimate grooming companion for a smooth, effortless shave. Designed for your comfort and convenience, it's perfect for achieving that polished look. Its ergonomic design fits perfectly in your hand, making shaving comfortable and easy. Plus, it's completely waterproof, so you can even use it in the shower. Experience a remarkably close shave every time. This electric razor glides smoothly over your scalp, leaving your skin feeling incredibly soft and refreshed. This isn't just a shaver, it's a complete grooming solution. It comes with a precision trimmer, clipper guards, and other essential accessories for all your grooming needs. Achieve professional-level head grooming from the comfort of your home. It's the easiest way to maintain a clean and sharp appearance. Say goodbye to nicks and irritation. This rotary shaver is engineered for a safe and comfortable experience, ensuring a perfect shave every single time. What we like. This offers a comprehensive grooming kit, going beyond just shaving. It's a rotary shaver designed for a smooth finish. If you desire a complete head grooming solution with multiple attachments for various styling needs, this kit is ideal. What people say. The shaver is very easy to hold and use, fitting comfortably in the palm of your hand. It provides a close shave without any nicks or cuts, leaving the skin smooth. The battery life is impressive, lasting for multiple shaves on a single charge. Number 1. Skull Shaver Pitbull Platinum Pro Head and Face Shaver Kit. Experience the ultimate grooming tool designed for your head and face. This cordless electric shaver offers unparalleled convenience and performance. Enjoy the freedom of cordless shaving wherever you go. Its powerful battery ensures a smooth and efficient shave every time. Whether you prefer a quick dry shave or a refreshing wet shave with your favorite cream or gel, it handles both with ease. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: a travel case for on-the-go, a USB charging cable, and a rinse stand for easy maintenance. Get even more value with a bonus blade included in the package. Keep your shaver performing at its best for longer. Achieve a close, comfortable shave with this advanced grooming device. It's the perfect companion for maintaining your look effortlessly. What we like. This kit comes with a convenient rinse stand for easy cleaning and maintenance. You also get a bonus blade for extended use. If you appreciate added value and a streamlined cleaning process, this premium kit is a great option. What people say. The shaver is designed to be ergonomic and comfortable to hold, making it easy to maneuver around the head. It features multiple sharp blades that provide a close and smooth shave, reducing the risk of nicks and cuts. The shaver is also waterproof, allowing for both wet and dry shaving and easy cleaning under running water. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.